can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die.
What's up, guys? So it is Sunday, January 1st, 2007 Tizzle, and we're leaving our Airbnb, and
Stairs.
it stinks right here. Oh. Alright, so anyways, guys, yeah, we're leaving and we're going into the city today. I'm starving. And yeah. Oh, where's my gloves, babe? You have them?
In my bag.
Okay, I don't even need them.
There's no one out here.
Alright, so we're going. My arm is killing me right now. You wanna vlog? Is this a new video?
I don't know. Yeah, sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have. You guys want this to be a new video?
But don't ask them. They don't know.
Yeah. It's cold. I got my bomber jacket on.
This thing sheds too.
I got this thing.
This thing sheds too.
And then I have something under this. And he's got his trench coat and my scarf.
Always look good though.
I feel like I can't move in this jacket. I feel like a marshmallow. Like my arms are stiff.
But well, you gotta don't bring the screen because you're gonna look at the screen.
Sorry.
Push it back.
It's okay.
It's the screen.
I have to see where we are.
No, because you're gonna look. I know you're looking at the screen.
Okay, well, anyway, we're walking to the A train right now because it's faster. There's less stops than the C train into the city. Isn't that right? We're locals now.
Yeah.
Mr. Photographer over here. You're right, I keep looking at the screen. So we just took some pictures on this wall, and now we're gonna go to Starbucks and then hop on the A train and head into the city. Coffee. Cold coffee in freezing weather. Oh, you got a card?
What's your name? Jesus. Answer.
Wow. Faster.
Faster?
Faster.
Oh, you gotta go fill it up.
Huh?
You gotta fill it up.
Come on, no
Think so?
Are you sure? Oh, thank you. Happy New Year.
Oh, happy New Year.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
That's what it's got to be about.
Yes, you're right. Thank you. Have a good
Take it
day.
easy, my friend. You too. Y'all enjoy your weekend.
You too.
Trying to get everybody to follow with me.
Good idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a Brooklyn-bound A train, one station away.
What's up, guys? So, come to you live from New York. So, what street we going to?
We're heading back into the city.
What's the street? Do you remember?
Rockefeller.
50th?
Rockefeller Center, Times Square,
The
Manhattan.
camera is holding the camera. Like this.
Sorry.
Come on, camera girl. You can't be just drinking Starbucks on the job.
Yeah, this is too good to hold the camera right now.
Are we boring? Like, really? You be sleeping when you watch our videos? Do you use our videos for your kids' bedtime stories to go to sleep? If that's true, let us know. You were recording that, were you?
Yeah.
You recording that?
Yeah.
You can put it in. $5.
Hey. Don't ruin my shot.
all the way down the street, like 40 blocks, and this cop was, where are you going? Because we had to go through like a gate, and we told him the Empire State Building. He said, you're going the wrong way. Turn around. So we turned around, and we walked all the way back, another 40, 50 blocks. Now we're here. We're at the Empire State Building, and the line isn't too bad. Well, we don't know, because it's just, we're outside. We're outside, and then we came inside, and it's more line. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Check. 1, 2. 1, 2, check. Check. Oh, more line.
Security.
Okay, more lines. So yeah, we got a while to get there. Probably another hour. So we bought the tickets online, so we get to pass all the other people that had to buy the tickets. There's a whole bunch of different lines you had to go in, buy the tickets to get in, the security. So we're here, so buy your tickets online if you're gonna come to the Empire State Building. And so now we're just walking through.
The Empire State Building observatories are New York City's highest and feature unobstructed 360-degree views.
在这里能一览无遗地看到有约360度的豪华景观。
One window, babe. Want to just get in line right here? So we're here at the 80th floor, I believe, 82nd, something like that. And we're gonna go to the top next, but you guys get some pictures.
Looks like there's grass. Right there? Yeah, see the grass?
So we're at 86? We're at the 86th floor. Right? Talk to the camera.
Yes, 86th floor. Observation deck.
Oh, dude, he's hurting.
A little nature video.
He's all messed up. Both his feet.
Very chill.
Alright guys, that's Paco. That's our new friend Paco.
Alright, so we just left the Empire State Building and... Huh?
No, on your face.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It's right here.
I don't think so. I almost just died by a freaking bird. I don't know if y'all saw it, but he was flying all over my face. Huh? Dude, let's go to Shake Shack, bro.
Want to get a burger for that?
Dude, that's not how you sit on chairs, dude. Yeah, let's go.
If it's not too long.
So where you want to go?
Shake Shack? Go to Shake Shack?
Whoa, dude.
Too busy.
Yep, too busy. How's the Empire State Building?
It was good.
It's lit?
Yeah. Why are you always so close to me?
Alright, you want to say something? Alright, dudes, we'll see y'all later. We're going to the bus stop.
We just got off our bus.
Dudes! What's up, dude?
We got off the bus from New York and now we're in Providence and it's freezing. It's like 10 degrees colder. Casey, you can't hang. How you
Are you looking at the screen or not? I'm trying to see if you're looking at the screen.
No, no sir.
Right.
No sir.
Alright,
I'm
look at the
looking
screen
right
right now. Now, don't look at the screen. Okay, look at the screen. I can't even tell.
Wait, do that again because you said look at. Okay, I'm looking at the screen right now.
Okay, look at the screen. Don't look at the screen. Look at the screen. I can't tell.
We're downtown, freezing. I don't have my gloves on. They're packed. Casey's got his.
Freezing out here, man.
He's still cold.
Freezing.
We're sitting on these steps, if you can't tell, by this pretty Christmas tree. Look at how huge that is. Hey, there's smudges. I thought you cleaned them earlier.
I thought so. You probably dirtied it up.
No. Okay, guys, we're gonna clean you.
With the scarf, that's all I got. How's that look?
Oh, there's still one more right there.
Where is that? Where is that? Hold it, steady. Can't get that off. I got
Okay,
it, I
anyway.
got it. Put a little spit on there. Okay.
So yeah, we're pretty much freezing.
Hold it up.
But
Hold it up.
you don't like this angle?
You can't see me.
You're not important right now.
Okay.
We're waiting for my aunt right now. She's gonna pick us up and then we're gonna go head to her apartment. It's cute down here. There's a huge ice skating rink over here. We'll probably do that in a few days because they want to take us. There's tons of people out right now. What's today, Sunday?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people over there
Dude,
for
get me,
Sunday.
dude.
Oh,
Dude,
but
get-
it's Christmas vacation.
Give me. Ready? Guys, triceps. Oh. Woo! Watch this one. Watch this. That's it. That's all I got. That's Gym Tips 105.
So yeah, that's probably gonna end today for us.
That's it, dudes. Peace out.
I don't think we're gonna vlog anymore. If that's the end of the vlog,
I don't think that's the end of the
we
vlog.
gotta say goodbye.
I don't think this is the end of the vlog.
Well, just in case.
Alright guys,
We
if this is the
hope-
end of the vlog, peace out. But if it's not, we'll still put this clip in because we are lit. And then the next one,
Anyway,
we'll have more flames.
we hope you enjoyed this
Dude,
vlog.
this is flames.
Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Casey, I see you. The screen's open.
Yeah, you're supposed to be looking at. You're not supposed to be looking at the screen.
Why? It's hard when you see someone like.
Thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up.
give it a
You're on your
thumbs up.
phone. You're over here. We're vlogging.
Tanti's text me. Make
We're
sure
in
to
productions.
give it a
Mariah.
thumbs up and comment down below because you know how much Casey loves those comments.
Yeah, comment down below, guys. I'm getting sad over here. The only person I talk to is Mariah.
Oh, I'm not good enough.
All right, peace out, guys. Just tell your peoples to follow us and subscribe to us, man, because our subscribers not going up. We keep putting out good content, man. Our stuff is flames.
Flames, dude.
Dude, it's flames, dude. All right, dude.
Good
peace.
night, guys. Peace out. Oh, and Happy New Year.
Did it.